Right, just a quick video today looking at these flat earth memes. Probably shouldn't get involved in this whole thing, but these things are so annoying. So this is a meme you may have seen if you ever get involved in the flat earth debacle. You see these pictures of the crepuscular rays of the sun coming in from a low sun near the horizon, being lit up because of dust or moisture or whatever in the atmosphere. You see these rays coming from the sun. Flat earthers say, oh, this obviously proves that the sun must be close, because if you kind of draw a line the way these rays converged, and the sun's just here and therefore it must be close. And most of them further go on to say it also proves that it can't possibly be far away, because they don't understand perspective. So let's just have a look at how this might work in reality and try and help some of these people to understand what's actually going on. So I've set up a picture like this. I found a picture like this on the internet and set it up in Blender, so that if I look through the camera view, this is my camera here in Blender, I press 0 to look at the camera view, you can see we've got the picture of the sun, and this is kind of infinitely far away within the 3D model world of Blender. If we look from the side, since I've got my model Earth here with the person's eye looking from the kind of the side of the Earth, imagine the North Pole's here in the middle, we're looking sort of towards dawn or sunset, depending on which way the Earth's rotating. I think this would be dawn, wouldn't it? Looking towards the sun at dawn, and the sun's over infinitely far over to the left of the screen here, and you can see this is what the sun rays look like. So let's see what would happen if we actually add some rays to the Blender model. Set up some rays, just 6 long thin cylinders that you see here, and you can see these are perfectly parallel. Okay, look from the top or look from the side, these are perfectly parallel cylinders coming from an infinitely fast sun heading towards our viewer here, the camera. No divergence whatsoever. And if I switch back to the camera view, this is what they look like. Okay, this is how perspective works. It's not difficult. This is what you would see if you saw some solid cylinders heading towards you, like railway tracks, like suns from the ray, or whatever else it might be. Okay, that's what it would look like. It's not complicated. It doesn't prove that the sun's local. I can even split this view and have the keep the camera view at the top here. In this lower view I can switch back to the side view. I can grab one of these and move them around. You can see how if I just move this one particular ray left and right, you see how the perspective changes. It looks like it's pointing towards a point infinitely far away. That's what happens in perspective. Okay, so I don't want to be too grumpy about all this, but it's not complicated. The fact that crepuscular rays appear to converge on a single point in the sky does not prove that the sun is local. Okay, that's the end of the story. Thanks for listening.